yourself.
So guys, I am stacked up with clutches. First of all, this one here, this guy had the R.N.G. Clutch kit. I want to let you guys know that, hey, I will show you the bad as well as the good. Because do you think it's all peaches and cream just because you got an R.N.G. Clutch kit? No, stay tuned. We're going to go through that one. This one on the other hand, the guy purchased some cheap Chinese clutches off of Scamazon. And this is the outcome. This is why I tell you guys, don't buy the cheap Chinese clutches. Just get the good clutches through us. Right here. There's multiple reasons why you don't buy cheap Chinese clutches. Number one, these sliders here, they're garbage. The spring that comes with it, like God even knows what it even is. Now this is, he used his OEM ones, I guess after he figured out those ones didn't work very well, used his OEM ones, and it's just, this is all bad, but this is for another story, another day. I gotta talk to that guy. This one, we're gonna dive right into this one. I already took a look at this because I wanted to see what it was, but just so you, it does have R.N.G. stuff in it. And yeah, this guy had a few issues going on here. So you can see he did have a belt failure. Well, there's a couple things that he had going on here. His bearings exploded and come apart, so we are going to clean this. We're going to clean this whole clutch up and get it back to going good. But one thing I want to show you, we're going to have to replace this outer sheave. And it's actually in good condition. Once you clean it up, it's in good condition. The only reason why we're going to have to replace this is because of the bushings. Watch this. This is bad. You don't want this much play. You're always going to have some play. That's normal. But you don't want this. This is bad. And probably what caused this to happen is when his bearing went bad, smoked his belt and got these two hot. That's probably what caused that. But because of that bushing there, we're going to have to replace this. But we'll be able to clean all this up and rebuild this. So that's what we're going to do. As for the secondary, nothing going on wrong with it at all. He just wants to upgrade to our secondary spring. And because he blew his belt, I'm gonna clean this up and go through it and show you guys how to do that. So we're gonna go ahead. Obviously, I'm using the new clutch tool, just because it's so universal with all the different clutches we've been working on here lately. I can basically use this for everything. And that's nice. Kind of puts itself down. But just like so. Anyway, there was nothing really wrong with the secondary itself, other than he wants me to clean it up, and he wants us to put our upgrade secondary spring in there. So that's what we're going to do for him. But the primary, that's, ooh, I can see it sticking. So obviously, guys, you know, sometimes helixes will stick. Don't matter what it is. It looks like that shaft is pretty rusty to me. All you got to do, give it some heat. It's coming up already. I've seen it. There you go. That's all it takes. And once we get it cleaned up, it'll go right back down on nice and smooth. Oh, he also is going to upgrade to our nylon sliders as well. Where'd the keyway go? There it is. He also wants to upgrade to our nylon sliders. And it looks like we're going to have to add a nylon in there because it's missing and we need it. So we'll get to either that or he got it hot and it melted and came out of there. So we'll replace that nylon, which I didn't quote him for. Don't matter, I'll throw it in for free. But I just wanted to show you guys not everything's peaches and cream just because you have an R.N.G. clutch kit. You know, things happen regardless of what you got. And unfortunately for him, the bearing coming apart is what caused this. Cost him some money. We're going to go ahead and get this cleaned up. I'm going to show you guys how I clean them up real quick. And then I do throw them in my blast cabinet. And I have a special media that I use. A lot of you ask me about that special media. It's a trade secret, if you will. Because as far as I know, I'm the only one that cleans clutches the way that I do. And some things you just don't give out, guys. So let me get the wheel and I'll show you how I clean them. So guys, I use a Milwaukee, what is this, die grinder, whatever. And I get what I call green cookie. Now, never use a fresh cookie. Take the cookie and hit it with some steel to kind of knock it down and make it less aggressive. A green one you can use on aluminum just fine. And you definitely don't want to sit in one spot. You want to keep it moving. I know I'm going to get hell for this, but you know what? I've been doing it for years. Never had a problem. Some of us know what we're doing. And I like hell. Comment below. Makes the algorithm go nuts. Nonetheless, this is what we're going to do to all of the sheaves.
I take a twist cause I'm only double-fisted. I'm dripping lipstick, stripping in the spaceship. Don't give a shit, I'm the middle finger misfit. Pulling triggers in your...
A lot of belt. There's a lot of belt dust, or belt. There's a lot of rubber compound here, so it's going to take a while, but you can see it's doing it nice and smooth. Not taking off too much material or anything like that.
Don't wanna miss it. Come on. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Come on. Light the wick if you got a little death wish. I'm a tricky candlestick, yeah, the kind that always stays lit.
Nice and smooth. All the belt crap is out of it. It's nice and smooth. And it's ready. Well, we'll obviously clean up the shaft too, but we're also going to throw it in the blast cabinet. So we're going to do that to all of them. Then we're going to throw them in the blast cabinet. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. But I want to show you guys, you know, how we clean clutches. It does take time, a lot of times. It takes a lot of time because sometimes I got to pick plastic out of the, well, as you've seen, that one's not fixable, but a lot of them are fixable. So, but I just wanted to show you guys a video of me repairing a clutch with our clutch kit. I know our competitors won't do that.
Fire 'em up! Go, 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 go! The math is easy, it's simple, just gotta add it up. Put it together, it's good, just stack it up. I want everything cause I just can't get enough. So come and pour me a new one and overflow my cup.
let's be honest, bro. You trying to catch up.
Because I can't tell you how much I don't care.
It's better, better, it's better, better, it's better with two. It's better, it's better with two.
That sucker looking fresh, boy. Look, got our upgraded nylons in there. No spring bind, of course, we know for that. Sucker looking fresh, boy. So yeah, now we gotta build the bearing. Gotta put our upgraded nylon sliders in the primary. Done got our nylons for the cam plate. Ronnie, you want to video me showing them how to rebuild a bearing? So if your primary clutch bearing goes bad, you do not have to spend $150 with CFMOTO. We got the rebuild kit on our website, and it's super easy. A lot of times these will just press in. Sometimes you might have to just tap them in. These ones may have, nope, didn't have to tap that one in. It just went right on. Now, the customer has the spring cup. He didn't send the spring cup. He has the spring cup and he has the two nylons, but at least we can get this taken care of. It goes right down on there, boy. Like so. Oh yeah, like brand new. Now, put that down on there. Like so. Pop in our new nylons. You guys can get our upgraded nylon kit on our website. These things are awesome. They're a lifesaver. They last way better than the OEM plastics. Comes in a kit, does the whole clutch. And customer needed a new nut because he stripped his out taking it off. So we got him a new nut too. There you go. Your boy Redneck got this dude hooked up and ready to go. What does something like this cost? Just what you seen us do today, I believe it was just over $700. For labor, for that new outer sheave, for the upgrade kit, for the spring, and all that stuff. So it's just a little over $700, I believe, for everything we had to do to this. But it'd be like new today, boy. Alright guys, if you guys need your clutches rebuilt, I got a ton of them to do, so I'm not going to video them all because it takes a long time. Let us know anything you need, 330-806-0728, or check us out on the web, www.rngperformance.net. America's #1 clutch kit, baby. Peace out and God bless. We'll see you in the next one.